Hi everybody, Happy New Year from me and my sleepy sidekicks who are wide awake right now. Wyatt, come say hi. Can you say hi to everybody? Say Happy New Year. Yes, say Happy New Year. So I hope everyone had amazing holidays. I cannot believe it is already January 1st of 2019. So I hope everyone had amazing, amazing holidays. I am so excited today because I have a super fun unboxing for you. And after the holidays and how busy they get, sometimes it's just super fun to relax, right? And my subscription box today is all about relaxation. Bubbles and books. I love this idea. So it's all about bubble baths and relaxing with a good book, right? What could be better? So I was super excited whenever this company reached out to me and wanted to know if I'd be willing to do a review of their subscription box. And when I found out what it was all about, I'm like, most definitely, because I love to read, I love to relax, I love a good bubble bath. It's all combined. I'm like totally on board. So I'm so excited to see what is inside my box. So Bubbles and Books is a $25 a month subscription plus shipping. And I did check to see what shipping would be for me, and it was $3. It did wait to tell me until I put in my address, my zip code, which is Pennsylvania, and for me it was $3. So that makes the box $28. I do have a discount code. It is Little10Happy to give you 10% off your first box if you'd like to give it a try, and I will put all this information down below. But each month you would get your choice of a romance novel based on a historical romance, a paranormal romance like vampires, you know, a good Twilight novel, or a bad boy romance, which is my choice. So you get one of those, as well as an artisan soap, a good luxury bath bomb, and 2 to 3 surprises in your box. So not bad, right? I think that sounds like fun. So let's check out my box. So the first thing I'm noticing about this box is how amazingly good it smells. It smells amazing. Amazing. Okay, so first thing is there is this nice little letter or note inside the box. And it says, "Let it snow. Kindness is like snow. It beautifies everything it covers," by Khalil Gibran. You don't have to go to an expensive spot to relax and achieve momentary bliss. You can have the same luxurious bath experience in your home and on your own terms. To schedule a night of me time or 2, we provide enough bath goodies for at least 2 nights of bliss in the bathtub, and get ready to unwind in your personal warm sea of bubbly water. Sounds fantastic. There's something romantic and cozy when the ground is covered in a freshly fallen blanket of snow. Whether you're a snow bunny in love with everything outdoorsy this winter, or prefer to appreciate the beauty from your warm spot in front of the window, that's more me. Your Bubbles and Books box is just what you need for a relaxing night in. First, set the mood, dim the lights a bit if you can, and light your incense sticks for aromatherapy. So I must have incense sticks. Put on some relaxing music and gather your supplies. You'll want your romance novel, your bubble bath, Frosty the Snowman bath bomb, or Christmas bath bomb. Okay, so before I read more, let's see what is in here, because I think I'm giving it all away. Okay, so first up, my bath bomb. Tinsel Bath Bomb Creamer. Check that out. And it smells really good too. Very nice. Next up, oh, this must be my Frosty the Snowman. This must be my soap. Oh, this smells fantastic. Oh, so good. It smells so good. This smells so good. So this must be my artisan soap. Next up, I have Winter Splendor Bubble Bath. Fun. And yes, I do have, this is called Cozy Fireside Christmas by the Fire Hand-Dipped Incense, Beaches of Tunisia. So it's all natural, handmade. And my book by Laura Drake, The Last True Cowboy. This is a decent sized book too. This is at least, you know, 2 or 3 nights, I think, worth of a nice long bubble bath. Pretty cool. Okay, and then they say at the bottom here, have you joined our Facebook group yet? We discuss baths, books, and everything in between in a friendly group environment, as well as hosting our monthly bubbles night. So that's cool. They must have a like a Facebook group too. Very cool. I love this. So I just absolutely love this. And it does seem that on their website, each of the boxes, because you can see some of the prior month boxes do have a theme. So this one obviously has a Let It Snow theme, right? So I'm guessing that's what this is all about. They also had a beach theme. They had a campfire theme, a bridal theme. So each of the boxes does have a theme to it. And once again, you do get to pick what type of romance that you want when you sign up to get the subscription. You could choose the bad boy, the paranormal, or the historical romances, whatever your preference is. And it is $25 a month plus shipping. So not bad, but I will put a link below. So if you do want to give this box a try, you can get 10% off your first month's subscription. What a fun, fun box. I love this. So thank you to Bubbles and Books for letting me give this box a try. I really enjoy it. I think I might have to get this for, for a few months. It's a fun subscription. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to give treats out to the sleepy sidekicks now. Wyatt is going down for the count here. So thanks so much. Please consider hitting that like button. I would love it if you'd stick around for a while and hit that subscribe button. To those of you who've already subscribed, thank you so much. Your support means the world to me. So Happy New Year, everyone. I hope your year is a fantastic one, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye, everybody.